At Best, we test our products to the industry's highest standards. With more than 25 years in the industry and a focus on exceeding BHMA qualifications, our Best 9K lock has become one of the most trusted names in the industry. The Best 9K has exceeded 50 million cycles and counting, ensuring the premium performance and strength you need. The Best 9K series is designed to be low maintenance, easy to install, durable, and secure. Best 9K lock sets are pre-assembled and can utilize both small and large format interchangeable cores, including other manufacturers. Whether you're installing one lock or 20, the Best 9K makes it easy to upgrade. Plus, the 9K is the basis for most of our cylindrical electronic lock products, including YQ, KeyPad EZ, Best Offline, and Shelter locks. With a dedicated team of engineers and technicians, the Best 9K lock will continue to best our best.